Avery, the Coupon Queen, and welcome to the CVS ad preview for next week. So this ad is going to cover deals starting on Sunday, February 23rd, going through the following Saturday, the 29th. So I'm still a little sick, unfortunately. Going to try to get through this ad as best as possible. So the photo for this ad goes to savvycouponshopper.com. So thank you for the CVS ad preview so we can go through and see what amazing deals are going to be happening next week. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. I'm still waiting for the second chosen winner of my second subscriber appreciation giveaway to email me. I haven't gotten anything yet as of now. Hopefully she'll email me tonight. If not, tomorrow I will be having to choose a third winner. So what I'm probably going to do at that point is just kind of redo the subscriber giveaway. That way everybody has a chance to re-enter, and then of course make sure you guys watch the video that I post the winner in. So if it's you, I can get all those beauty products shipped out and in the mail for you. So let's get started on the ad preview for next week. So we have a red hot deal here on some Reese's and mini eggs. We're going to be seeing a lot of Easter candy, of course, with Easter right around the corner. They're on sale, 2 for $6. And there is a $2 off, looks like an instant coupon possibly, because the red box picture is right here. So final cost is just 2 for $4 or $2 each, which is not a bad deal for some Easter candy. We have L'Oreal Cosmetics, buy one, get one half off, and spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. We have Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Nature Valley, $1.99. There is a send to card coupon. There are some Nature Valley 50-cent off 2 coupons from previous inserts. There may be a digital version as well, so make sure you guys check that out. Tresemme Premium is 2 for $10. There is a $4 coupon coming in our Sunday insert. So we're supposed to be getting 3 inserts on Sunday, quite a few good coupons. So definitely a week to buy at least 1 insert. I usually buy my newspapers at CVS on Sunday morning, get my insert, cut out all my coupons, and then put together the deals that I'm going to do for my Sunday haul for everyone. So they're 2 for $6, buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, makes them 2 for $2. And the original $10 is going to count towards beauty. Revlon Cosmetics, spend $12, get a $4 extra buck. Any CoverGirl cosmetic, we have $2 coupons coming in our inserts. That's what this little scissors means. And it's spend $12, get a $5 extra buck. We have some Scott bath tissue over here as well. And Viva paper towels, $7.99 with card. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. And I did see on Ibotta $1.50 cash back. So we'll have to see if it works for CVS, but that would make it obviously an even better deal. Okay, looks like we have a spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks. We have a Palmolive coupon. We have a 50-cent coupon, I believe, coming in our Sunday inserts. So that would make this just $1.49. We also have the Scott paper towel, 6 equals 10 rolls. I believe they're $5.49 or $5.99. I'm not sure there. So all of those are going to be included. They have Lysol and Windex, buy one, get one half off. Walgreens is going to be better for Lysol. They're buy one, get one free next week. And we have a 3 off of 2 coupon coming for the Febreze. And Febreze is going to be on sale for $2.99. So pretty much buy one, get one free. Final cost would be $1.49 each, which is amazing. I've definitely stocked up on some Febreze small spaces. I love, love, love using those. Muscle Milk and Starbucks Frappuccino. I love those. Those are super good. 2 for $5. We have Tide Pods are $4.99. Spend $20, get a $5 extra buck. So we'll have to see what other items are going to be available in that deal. Kleenex are probably included. I can't see the product code, but they're also spend $20, get a $5 extra buck. So they're probably in the same deal. We'll just have to check the codes when the actual ad comes out in the CVS app or, of course, online. So the bundles are 2 for $3. On Fetch Rewards, there is a 500-point bonus when you submit your receipt to Fetch with a Kleenex bundle on it, which is the equivalent of 50 cents back. It is only 1 per receipt, so even if you buy 2 of them for the 2 for $3, you would only get the 500 points back once. But the final cost would be 2 for $2.50 or $1.25 each, which I think is a really, really great deal. Pringles, 3 for $5, not bad. We have some dog and cat food here. Buy 10, get a $3 extra buck. Cheez-Its, 2 for $4, not a bad deal. I think they're either $1.49 or $1.99 at Walgreens next week. I can't remember. Huh?
Hey, is the water boiling from the noodles?
No, not yet. I just checked it.
Alright. Only put it in for like 5 minutes.
Okay.
That's all. Then I'm gonna cook the rest of the soup.
Okay, the next page here, we have some breakfast items. We have some Kellogg's for $1.99 each. More candy deals here. Looks like they are 2 for $6, extra buck when you buy 2. Makes them 2 for $5. So not the best deal, but still some good savings if you want to start getting some candy for Easter, putting them in Easter eggs, all that fun stuff for the holidays. We have Reese's or Brookside, sorry, I believe they're $3.99 or $3.79. $2 extra buck reward when you buy 1. It makes it just $1.79, so that's not a bad deal. I love the Brookside chocolate. Those are super, super good. Okay, let's go on to the next page. $2.99 for Lay's kettle cooked. Those are really, really good. These are the hot offer of the week here. 2 for $2.50 on 2 liter of soda. Some buy one, get one half offs here. Any NYX Professional, spend 10, get a 4. Neutrogena, buy 2, get a 6. Wet n Wild, spend 10, get a 5. Burt's Bees, spend 20, get a 5. We have 2 for $10 on the DiGiorno, so hopefully we'll get a good digital coupon for DiGiorno. You never know. Sometimes they have some good deals for DiGiorno at Walgreens as well, and then you can suck up on those pretty cheap for pizza. Okay, so now for some hair care deals here. We have Dove is 2 for $8, $2 extra buck when you buy 2. Final cost is 2 for $6 or $3 each. Not the best deal. It's always better, of course, when we have a 2 off 2 or 4 off 2 coupon to pair with it. Next is spend 25, get a 7. I would definitely hold off on that. We usually get spend 20, get a 10. Excuse me. Select Vaseline, Axe, or Dove Personal Care. Spend 15, get a 5. We have a coupon coming. It looks like this is the Dove Foaming Hand Wash. There is a coupon coming in our Sunday paper. L'Oreal Hair Care, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. I think regular price, they are $4.99, so that would be $10. Buy 2, get a 5. If you still have the 4 off of 2 coupon from the 2.9 retail may not, I believe, then that would make it a super hot deal. Final cost would be about 50 cents each. Let's keep going. L'Oreal Facial Care, again on sale, spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. So if we get some good CRTs, then of course we can make that a really, really great deal. Even a moneymaker, because you are spending 30 in facial care, which is beauty. So right there, you're automatically going to get a $3 beauty buck. So technically, you're getting back $13 in rewards, which is awesome. Garnier Facial Care is back again at buy 2, get a 5 as well. I know we don't have any coupons, so hopefully we'll get some good CRTs. I think I got a $2 Garnier, I keep getting the $2 Garnier micellar water, so I'll see if I can maybe put something together with that this week. I had a 9 off 45 skincare as well, so I'm thinking maybe if I combine that with the L'Oreal Facial Care deal or something, that might be a pretty good deal to do. Gillette or Venus razors, we're getting $2 off coupons, and they're buy 2, get an 8. Previous weeks, we would have a $4 coupon, and it would be buy 2, get an 8, which would obviously be a better deal, but this could still be a pretty good deal if you have a 3 off of 12 shave CRT or something like that. Gillette disposable razors, $7.99. There's a $3 coupon coming in our Sunday papers as well. Crest is $2.99, spend 20, get a 5. So I think it's part of that promotion with the Tide and the Kleenex as well. And there's a $2 coupon coming in our Sunday paper. We have Crest 3D White, Scope, and Mouthwash, $4.99. Buy one, get a $2 extra buck. A $1 coupon is coming in our Sunday paper. If you have a $1 off 5 mouthwash, that would make it, I believe, a freebie for $2. A $1 off 5 or like a $1 off mouthwash, anything like that. That would make it a really good deal. With those two, you'd wind up paying $2.99 out of pocket. Get back a $2 extra buck, so final cost would be just 99 cents. Colgate Optic White Renewal is their new version, their new line for Colgate, and it's $7.99. Buy one, get a $2.50 extra buck. There is a 50-cent coupon coming in our Sunday paper, which obviously doesn't seem too crazy, but we did have a Ibotta Rebate, so I'll have to see if it's still available or if it works at CVS. I know when I was looking, it was $3 back when you buy it at Walmart. Walmart, they are, I believe, $6.99 when I went. So this would obviously be a better deal, especially if we have that Ibotta Rebate, so we'll have to check our accounts and see if that one is available. Select men's beard or skincare, spend $12, get a $4 extra buck. Always check your Saving Star accounts for the Nivea, see if anything pops up on Sunday. That could be a pretty good deal there. We had some rebates on Ibotta as well. So pretty good oral care going on next week. If you have a 3 off 12 toothpaste or mouthwash CRT, we have Colgate manual toothbrushes as well. $3.99, get $2 extra buck on your purchase when you buy one. So final cost is just $1.99. So probably be able to put together a pretty good scenario with a 3 off of 12 toothpaste, toothbrush, or mouthwash CRT. Okay, here is some feminine care here. Gold Bond. I've been seeing a ton of printable coupons for Gold Bond for their lotion on coupons.com. So if that is something that you guys really like to use, make sure you guys go to coupons.com and get that printed out as soon as possible. Spend $40, get a $10 extra buck on anything you see here. Eucerin or Aquaphor Baby. Dove Baby. We have some, I think that's Pedialyte or Pediasure. I'm not 100% sure. So that's not a bad deal to get some good savings. It's kind of tough to get good savings on baby products. Claritin seems to always have some good deals on that. I know allergy medicine can be quite expensive, so if you guys do use that product, always good to stock up on some at CVS. Get some extra bucks back. Emergency cough or cold supplements, buy two, get a $3 extra buck. Hopefully we'll get some emergency printable coupons. I don't know what the regular cost of this is. I'll have to check online or in store on Sunday morning, see if that's something we could possibly put together with like a cough and cold CRT, something like that, see if that would match up and make for a pretty good deal on that. Nothing too crazy there. Almost done the ad. It is a 12-page ad. Buy one, get one free as usual over the last couple weeks at CVS for the CVS Health Vitamins. Buy one, get one free on Nature's Bounty, of course. Buy one, get one free on Sundown. There's a $2 coupon coming as well in our Sunday paper. So if you have a vitamin or supplement CRT, that could make for a really good deal. Okay, so this is the last page. They always put some hot deals on the last page as well. So we have Select Axe or Dove Personal Care. Spend $15, get a $5. Shows the little scissors right here above the Axe. Riley, shows the little coupon here above the Axe. I believe that's deodorant, so we'll have to see when we get our inserts. We are getting a 5 off of 3 coupon back for the Pantene, which is great. The last time we got it was just a 3 off 3. So that'll give us $2 of additional savings there. And it's all part of the spend $20, get a $5 extra back. So if you have a 3 off 12 shampoo or hair care CRT, that would of course be great to add into this deal. And the Pampers are included. So there's only a $1 coupon, or that's $1.50 actually, coming in the Sunday paper. Typically we get a 3 off 2, so that's kind of a bummer. If you have a 3 off of 15 baby care or diaper CRT, something like that, make sure you guys pair it up. That could be a really great deal because you would buy 2, use the $1.50 coupon from the Sunday paper. We'll have to see if there is a digital as well. Sometimes there would be a digital version. Then if you have a 3 off of 15 baby CRT or Pampers CRT, you would pay $15.50 and get back a $5 extra buck. So final cost would be just $5.25 per bag of diapers. So definitely some good savings there, almost half off. We have Colgate, get an extra buck and a 50-cent coupon. So final cost is $2. Not the best deal. We usually get Colgate for free. We get a ton of toothpaste deals for free. So I would kind of hold off on that. We had Tide Liquid, 37 ounce, $5.94. $2 coupon makes it $3.94. Let's see, anything else noteworthy? We have some liquor deals and beer deals and things like that down here as well. And that is the last page of the ad. So definitely some great savings. Make sure you guys pick up a newspaper. I will probably pick up 2 newspapers just because we have some really good coupons coming to make sure that we can stock up on those. If you guys have any questions, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I will post on the community tab tomorrow if the winner for the subscriber appreciation did wind up emailing me tonight. If not, I will let you guys know when I'm just going to redo the entire giveaway so that way you guys can all have a chance to enter again and I can pick a winner and finally get these amazing beauty products out to you guys. If you haven't seen the Walgreens ad preview, make sure you guys click this video here, as well as the CVS and Walgreens haul that I did for the current week. There are some, of course, great deals, freebies, money makers, you name it. Fetch rewards, there's a ton of bonus items, and Ibotta bonuses as well. So make sure you guys check out these other videos that I've done for you guys. Thank you so much, and have a good night.